What's up, everybody? You know, I think we've all come to an agreement that it's time. It's time to fire it up. So, today, we're fixing to fire up the Fairlane. So we got a lot of stuff done off camera. We put the intake manifold back on in the carburetor. We got a lot of new stuff as far as the electrical system goes. We got a new coil, new spark plugs, and a new distributor because those were just all destroyed. And we think we're good as far as firing this thing up. So I think that's what we're gonna try to do. We took this off the top of the bowl off, and we're gonna fill it up, and we filled it up. And we put it back on, so we're going to see how that works. We're going to try to fire it up, but not literally. First time firing up in 15 years, so hopefully this works. Ready, Harrison? Let's do this. That didn't sound right. I'm going to say that off the bat. Wait, let's do it.
Try it again.
Hold up. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I was going to say, see if it'll idle.
I think it's we have a lot of vacuum leaks.
My foot on the pedal?
Huh?
Did it backfire every time I put my foot?
Probably. I think we've got a lot of vacuum leaks, and that's probably part of the problem. But it was going.
I wonder if it will idle.
Well, that's what we were trying to get it to do.
Well, let's see if it'll idle. Do I have to take the bowl off? What do you call this?
I don't know what it's called, but I mean that's where the float and stuff is up underneath it.
I said bowl top because I didn't really know what it's called.
Well, I mean it's called the bowl, but I don't know what the top part is called.
Okay, we'll call it the cap from now on.
I mean it was wanting to like do a bunch of stuff out of here too, so.
It was working.
Okay.
Let's try it again and see if it'll idle.
Again.
Let me fill it up real quick. Okay, go. Please don't catch fire this time. Now that's where it gets the air.
Yeah, but it's just gotta be choked a little bit.
Okay, try again. Let's do it. I can take it off.
Try it again.
Want me to take the bowl off?
Good boy.
I'm giving it gas!
No, here's the peddler walked away. He comes walking over here like, who's hitting the gas? Nobody. Jeez. Fail. What are y'all doing over there? Nobody sleep at the wheel. Literally.
Do you want me to take the cap off?
No, it seemed like it worked okay. Here, fill it up
Tell you
again.
what, it sounds mean back there.
Does it really?
Mean.
Okay, Dad, can you do that? Because I want to see how it sounds. Okay. Start her up. Give her some more.
Cornbread fed.
Let's see
Go
how
ahead.
it sounds back there.
Huh? Smoking out of where the fuel pump's supposed to be.
It does, I mean, for what it was, it did sound pretty cool back there.
There's cracking corn over there.
Every 5 seconds I hear sometimes it's in unison. Wait, is there something I'm gonna need to do with the chip?
Now kind of had to unclose it a little bit to get it going, and then I kind of barely opened it up.
Yeah, here's how you do that. So start it like here and then like just get it up to there. That's what that was. He's putting his entire hand over it. Yep.
Hold on. Negative battery.
It's one of those super
Okay, try
strands,
again.
so it's-
Come on, coffee.
Ford, whatever you want to call it. It sounds like 22 shots in here. Oh, my Lanta. Come on. Feed it the corn. He killed it. I killed it. Okay, success. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video because, you know, it was over the course of like 2 weeks, you know, with parts and getting everything started and putting everything back together. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, really helps us out. And see you guys in the next video.